Yeah, guys, hi. It's me back. That box was a box that I already showed you, so no need for me to go through the same box. You remember that, don't you? Okay, so this is my next box. I got after this I got 5 more boxes to go through. It's nice opening up these surprise boxes, trying to guess what's in them, or being surprised with what's in them. Okay. Okay. And they tape them all back up, you know? Okay. More of this stuff. I gotta find out what to do with this. Maybe you can help me. But I think this is stuff that you put down in your plants, in your pots, when you're planting fake flowers. Oh wow, this is a like a watermelon balloon. This one is a unicorn balloon. Very nice. More flowers. This big one is nice. This big one like this, and put it down here with that one. Be a nice arrangement of flowers. This yellow. I mean, you can put them together. Here's the letter U. The letter I. Here's the letter X, a little one. Another like a cactus type of plant. It's not cactus, I don't know what you call this kind of plant. But it's for the garden. You can decorate your garden with all of these. And look at that, I got more plates. More pink ones and beige ones. I have plenty of plates. I'm going to have to give those to somebody. I don't need them. The letter H. More flowers. The letter Q in like the rustic looking style. Some people like that rustic style. Or that farm style. I don't particularly care for it for myself. I like modern. I like modern stuff. More fidget spinners. I got 2 more down here. So you know I'll be able to put all the fidget spinners together. And then, oh wait a minute, here go some more fidget spinners. And here go one of those little plant beds, but the plant is not in it. That's cute. And then this. I can see you putting these all around in your plant, in your garden. More of this. This. And this is like a cactus style. And this one is empty. Whatever was in it, it's not in it now. Alright, so that's this one. And trying to go fast as I can, y'all. So far, we've had a lot of repeats. Nothing new have I seen since I opened up the first one. They're basically all the same types of things are in these boxes. Let me move this over. And I'll just put this one down here on the floor. Alright, get one more box up here. Another box, guys. Alright, let's see what's in here. Wow. Oh my. It says Hello Life. It's like a date book. More of those bags with watermelon bags. What's this? Oh, it's fake paper. And it's bags. More of the bags. More of the bags. I'll never be able to say again that I don't have any bags. The letter O. Wait, is that an O or a D? That's an O. Looks like a D, doesn't it? letter T. Oh, I'm sorry. I must be getting tired. The letter I. That's an I. Or H if you put it that way. Here's some crafts. There's lots of crafts in this box. Like things that you use for arts and crafts. There's crafts, more crafts. Crafts, big ones. Here's a little book, Explorers Club. Oh, with stickers and stuff. Mickey Mouse Explorers Club with stickers. These crafts. There's lots of crafts in here, and you know I like crafts. I love me some crafts. Oh, wow, look at these little plates. Oh, Mr. and Mrs. plates. Look at that. Wedding plates. It said Mr. and Mrs. There's little crafts. There's a lot of wedding stuff in here. It's Mr. and Mrs. stuff in here. Crafts. What's this? Bands for your hair? I don't know what this is. It's some kind of type of string. Oh, these are wax melts. Oh, I hope you can see them. I'm trying to go fast. The little cactus plant. More of the Mr. and Mrs. stuff. Woohoo, more sachets. They smell good. Oh, and it's just for this. For, you know, for cupcakes. I'm going to give those to my daughter-in-law. They love making cakes. And cupcakes and things. It's a lot of craft stuff in here, guys. More the ribbon. Oh, yeah. And I got a bunch of fidget spinners down in here. Look at this. More fidget spinners. Look at this. More of this. More of these kind of little balls. You can make a necklace out of this. Oh, that could be what you could use a string for. I don't know what it's for, but I would look at it and think I could use this string. And here's a letter J. Here's some tassels. Here's more arts and crafts. And more tassels and more string. A lot of arts and crafts stuff in here. Ooh, I dropped stuff. Okay. Alright, that one's done. Guys, I got 4 more boxes. I ain't done yet. I got 4 more boxes. Let me stop it. Okay, guys, I'm back over here now. And I put all 4 of the boxes up here. Alright, so I'm going to try to go through all 4 of these boxes. Let me do this one, which is up here at the top. This is like work, guys. I'm working. This is another box. This is a surprise box. Let's see what's in this one. Alright. Okay, guys. Here we go. And yes, we have some of the same items that we had in the other ones. Tassels, the string, more tassels, purple ones, those are the green ones, more arts and crafts, more of the string, Arts and Crafts. Arts and Crafts. There's Arts and Crafts. There's artsy stuff. Arts and Crafts. Arts and Crafts. These ones. Another book. 365 Days Big Idea Books. I put it over here because I have one over there. And what's this? Oh, look at that. That's the more the sachets. You know I love them. Woohoo! More of those. More. Stop and smell the roses. Smells delicious. Especially because my name is Splint Rose too. Letter N. Farm style. It's nice. More tassels. What's this? Oh, is this a light? Get organized. It says get organized. This looks like a little light or something. It's a light inside of it. You use batteries for it. It just says get organized. Oh, it's a little chandelier. Maybe I could put it inside my closet. I know you know I get more fidget spinners. I mean they get a lot of fidget spinners in here. These kids are going to be spinning for days. More fidget spinners. And all kinds of plants that you can put together at the bottom. My daughter-in-law, she loved these. My daughter-in-law in California, I should send her those. More flowers. More flowers. Yeah, I think I will send these. So these are long stems. Look at that. They're beautiful. More flowers. They look like oh, there's like sunflowers. And there's flowers, and then there's one more things for arts and crafts. I hope you can see it. Okay, I'm gonna put this back in here. Smush it down. Put these back in. I'm sweating. I'm working. So I'm trying to do it as quickly as I can. Okay, guys, I got 3 more boxes to go. 3 more boxes to go. Oh. All right, here's this box. And you know, they tape them all up. My goodness.